Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install product feeds for Shopify using Google Shopping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left sidebar, click on Apps. Next, visit the Shopify App Store. Search for Google Shopping. Select an app that suits your needs. Click on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app. After installation, return to your Shopify admin. Locate and open the newly installed Google Shopping app. Sign in with your Google account that you want to use for shopping. Once signed in, grant the necessary permissions for the. Next, navigate to the settings within the Google Shopping app. Enter your business information, including your store name. Fill in the required product details, including pricing and availability. Choose your target country for product visibility. Set up your Google Merchant Center account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to connect your Merchant Center account with Shopify. Once connected, go back to the Google Shopping app. Select the products you want to include in your feed. Make sure the product information meets Google's requirements. Review your product feed settings for accuracy. Click on Generate Feed to create your product feed. After the feed is generated, copy the feed URL provided. Log in to your Google Merchant Center account. Click on Products in the left sidebar, then select Feeds. Click the plus button to add a new feed. Choose the type of feed you want to create. Paste the feed URL into the provided field. Decide how often you want Google to fetch your feed. Save your changes to complete the setup. Check for any errors in the Merchant Center dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.